Okay, hi everybody. We will see today how we can move horizontally and vertically with Unity. This is horizontal, this is vertical with the arrow key, left, right, up and down. You have three values. The first will hold the left and right key or the Q and D. The second, the speed at which the player will go, and the third one, the up and down key or the Z and F key. First, you have to get the input. To get the input, you check input.getAxis.vertical for the up and down key, and getAxis horizontal for the left and arrow key. You use the function transform.translate. You check a vector tree right, multiply by the horizontal input, multiply that speed, multiply that time, that data time, so that you play move per second and not per frame. Same thing for the second function, but this time you multiply by vertical input in the place of horizontal input. You get like this. You have your speed, horizontal input, vertical. You can change the speed here. And don't forget to give the script to your player like this.